Hey guys, and welcome back to another how-to video. Today I will be showing you how to break, measure and refit a new bike chain. Let's get into it. The only tool that you're going to need is one of these. This is a chain breaker. The chain sits on these grooves. You lock it in place with this one and then push the pin out using this screw device. Now some may look slightly different to this. You may have ones that don't have the lock, but in principle they all work the same. So let's crack this chain. Okie dokie, so now the chain's broken, I'm going to go ahead and unthread that. Now that the chain is off, you need to measure it. You can waste a bunch of time counting individual links, but we don't have time for that. Find a table, a clean bit of floor, or if you have any hooks on the wall, hang it from a hook. But the easiest way to go about measuring your chain is put the new one flush up against the side of the old one and then measure the length. Now you'll find most chains come with quick links. They may come with their own split pin or push pin, but either way you'll find your chain has a way to reattach itself in the packaging. If it doesn't, then you've been played and you probably want to go back to where you bought it from. So I thought I'd lucked out for a second with my new chain being the same length as the old chain. However, we are 2 links too long. So let's have them out. So like I said, we want to take 2 links out. 1, 2. So where my fingers are pinching now, exactly the same way we broke the chain earlier, we want to get the chain tool on there. Pinch it in place and then wind that pin out. You'll find doing that on a non-rusty chain far easier. You're not trying to fight against the oxidization. Now the easiest way to re-thread is with the back wheel in. So let's stick the back wheel back in. Just to take a little bit of movement out of the chain, I like to rest the front on the crankset first. And then just wheel that round to take some weight off of it. And now, moving to the back, over the cassette, under the first jockey wheel, and then over the second. And then, with the split pins that came with the chain, reverse side facing outwards, and the offside facing in, pull those 2 together, making sure both holes line up. Now if you have a set of chain pliers, you can loop these on and then pull the handles apart to secure the split pin. If you don't, you can put a lace on either side and then pull apart, and that will have the same action. And that is how you remove, measure and fit your new chain. In the next how-to video, I'll be showing you how to change your gear cables and set up the alignment for the new chain and cassette we fitted in the last 2 videos. If you haven't seen either of them two, go ahead and check them out. I'll see you all in the next one.